Good morning, universe. Good morning, earth. Good morning, Mahaspi. And good morning, Labrador. To this vlog is daily life natin na mag-breakfast. Isang hotdog, isang itlog, isang fried rice. Hotdog, itlog, fried rice. Ayan, hotdog. Bihira naman ko kumain ng hotdog. Once in a blue moon. Ito, tutunawin natin yung ano natin. Heart booster sa mainit.